Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I have for you this fun and new project. It's for these cute resin keychains that I did multiple of them. They will be a perfect gift for Valentine's Day or Friendship Day. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to use for this is a heart mold. This is from an Etsy shop that I will leave all the links on the description box. Next, I'm going to be using some resin. This is just a brand that I have where I live, but I will leave links and names of popular resins that you can use for this project. I'm also using some cups to measure the exact amount of them. I'm also using some glitter and sequins, some alphabet beads. You can find this in nail art shops that I will leave also links in the description. For the jewelry, I'm going to be using some snap hook, some headpins, some jump rings, some charms, some chain and some spacers. Also a little bit of ribbon and some crystal beads to make it look pretty. So the first thing I'm going to do is measure my resin, and then I'm going to mix it really well. You will have a lot of bubbles. First, I'm going to prepare my mold. If you have some dust or anything, just take some tape and remove them. Now that it's ready, I'm going to start adding some resin to the mold, just about the half. Once that is done, I'm going to use some lighter to remove all the bubbles. You do that several times until it's all clear. Here I have my alphabet letters. I just formed some words. You can make any word you want. And just need to flip them so when you make your piece you can read the words. I'm going to be using this cool pencil. It's a wax pencil to pick up the beads. It's really easy. Now that I have all the words I want, I'm just going to take the glitter I want and with my fingers I'm going to sprinkle all around the piece. These two pieces I'm going to take some sequins and just sprinkle them, and with a needle or a toothpick you can start placing them where you want. And again I'm going to sprinkle some more glitter on top. So once you finish all the pieces you want, I'm going to let them dry overnight. When they are all dried, I'm going to mix some more resin, but this time I'm going to add a little bit of white oil paint to make it white, and also some pearl powder so it looks pretty. So now I'm going to fill all the mold until almost the top. In case I didn't mix enough resin, so those two that don't have the background, I'm going to use a different technique to make the keychain. So now that I let them dry overnight again, it's time to pop the pieces out. As you can see, it looks really pretty, really glittery. that you have your pieces, I'm just going to remove all the excess from the piece. You can use a piece of sandpaper, or in this case I'm using this nail manicure kit. Next, I'm going to add another layer of resin because I want them to look more pretty and professional, I think. So for that, I mix again the same resin. Be careful so you don't add a lot. You can use your lighter also to remove the bubbles. You let them dry completely. See some imperfections, you can sand the piece again. Some epoxy glue, toothpick, and this hand drill. For this piece that is more flat, I'm going to use this piece of jewelry that is called glue-on veils. You can get them on eBay. So first I mix my glue. This is a really strong glue. And next I clean with a little bit of alcohol the piece and also the piece of metal, so there's no grease or anything. And I just put it and let it dry. The other method that has like a background, I'm just going to take my hand drill and make a little hole. Next I take my little eye screw. Now to put all the pieces together, I just take one jump ring and just open it with my tweezers. I place the chain and I close it, and then with the other jump ring I put it in the piece and connect it with the chain. Once it looks something like this, I'm just going to open the beads I did with my tweezers and just place them wherever I think they look alright. And finally I have this butterfly charm that I think it looks cute. With a smaller jump ring I just open it and put it on the chain. The final step is just making a bow. This is just my awful way to make a bow. Just put it on the jump ring, make a knot. I don't know how to explain how to make a bow, but you can see on the video. And finally just cut the excess diagonally. And finally just burn the ends of the ribbon. And there we have it. I think they are really cute and it's a really fun and easy project if you have all the materials. If you make it, you can use the hashtag Alyssa Charms so I can see your work. Thank you so much for watching and see you next week. Bye bye.